Now I will get this clam. What is big one? You see, very big, mashallah. I will cook today. What is big? Leaves we have to get. See, mashallah, our tomatoes. This is spinach, Darna. Palak. Eggplants, you see. Mashallah, these eggplants become big immediately.
I think this is enough.
This one yellow must be, we have to get.
That one.
Getting green leafy vegetables of clam. I will cook today. You see, very big, very nice, and very green. Huh? I will tell. So these are all I get. As you can see, the leaves. Ayan ang lalaki. So must be we have to check one by one because some insects attach here, like this green insects. So this is okay. Ayan. Yung green ba na ano na uod na maliliit. Onions and garlics is already brown, so I will put now this chili powder, salt, and turmeric powder. And then tomatoes with green chilies. And this one I have to cook. After cleaning, I cut and slice like this. Then I wash 3 times. Then I boil it and strain. So after this tomato paste, then I will put this one. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now this one. In another wok, now I'm sauteing these onions. Then I will put now also this garlics. This is for another recipe. And this is kurbani or sacrifice meat. This is 1 kilogram of beef meat. I boil this one first for 10 minutes. So this is already vegetable clam. Onions and garlic is already brown, so we have to put now this turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, and ginger. And then mix. And then we have to add also grind lentils, coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, and cumin seeds. Ayan. So it will look tasty. Now we have to put now this tomatoes. And then we have to wait these tomatoes become paste. Now we have to put this boiled kurbani or sacrifice meat. So we have to wait this one until become paste. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now this one boiled sacrifice or kurbani meat. And this is already cooked, so we have to turn off now the flame. And I cook also custard and then jelly, because I miss also dessert or manatam sweets. So this one, our sweets, custard with jelly toppings. Now next I have to cook also chapati. And yesterday I cooked biryani, so I have extra biryani rice. So that is for me. So for them I will make chapati. Now making now chapatis for my husband, for Langga, for Fahad, for Fatma, for me rice, because I cooked biryani last night, so I have extra there. Total I have to make is 4 for Langga, 4 for Fahad, 4 for Lakay, because my husband only eat 2 chapatis, and 2 for Fatma. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 chapatis I have to make. Joe! Our neighbor up, Afnan, our nephew, is asking my husband. I don't know what he wants. क्या बनाना है? Now we'll check this one. So until I finish make chapati, this is already, I have to close after. So one is finished, we have to put in hot pot. And then next, This is last, this one and this one. Someone who is already hungry. My husband, my langga is hungry, and Tayi and Fatma and Fahad. Because it's like a balloon. Me also, I'm hungry. So after this one, we have to eat now. I will eat. So finish. I cut my biryani, my rice, because I have extra last night. So this is already cooked. It's dry, similar to adobo, beef corbani adobo, and this is vegetables and chapatis. Ayan, oh, mausok pa. And leftover biryani and sweets, custard sweets with jelly. So our foods for today, dinner.